hours and 27 minutes. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, and we came in this game.
Yeah, we have 3 minutes until it comes.
So it will be here shortly. Wait for everyone to get off first. Hi. The bus to ourselves. Yay!
Welcome to Magic Kingdom. Yay!
Here's Kelly. Here's the new security at Magic Kingdom that all the guests go through. It's a nice little setup, air conditioning. Well, not air conditioning, covered. And they have fans, so it's a little bit better. Not quite as crowded. All right, off to the parks. Off to Magic Kingdom. Pass holder entrance. Kelly's on top of it. First ride is Winnie the Pooh. And we found our friends. They're up there somewhere. They already went on the ride. We're gonna hop on with Kelly and go on a second round.
One day in the 100-acre wood. If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
sticker on your back? Nah, no sticker on your back. Yeah. He is really sneaky. He is good. Now you just put a sticker on all of your guys' back. There you go. These are awesome. Oh, I think you need that for ice skating. That is like the perfect hat.
Actually.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Going to bed.
You're just gonna go to bed right here at the pin trading store. The bears are like looking at you. They're giving you a funny look. More pin trading. Lots and lots of pin trading. And Kelly was sweet. Kelly actually gave Hunter a lanyard. So now Hunter can pin trade too. Right? Did you trade one right now? No.
I want one of those so I can trade, because I don't want to trade any of them.
You want to have one of these big Mac Daddy things like Kelly does?
No, I want one of the pins that are in it so I can trade the mystery one.
I like the mystery ones. They're fun.
Look, red and grim.
Oh, cool. That's some serious pin trading. Holy moly. That what?
Here's like an ice skate. Look at that.
You see one you like, Hunter? That's so cool.
None that.
Oh, did you see the ice skate?
Yeah. Mom, I already have one.
You have an ice skate?
I have one too.
Oh yeah, surfboard. Here
I'm super excited because we're going back to get some food and we may go swimming. We may not, but it doesn't matter. We're still gonna have fun and we're still gonna have adventures and we're gonna still dream. Yeah. So let's go. We're gonna go back to the woods. Yay!
We're back at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. We took the very full bus ride back. But listen, oh, you can see the smoke. You see that? That is the Epcot fireworks. We're gonna be able to watch, yeah, you can see the lasers right there. That's the Epcot fireworks. That's Hollywood Studios right there.
Yeah.
But I think those are the Epcot fireworks. Oh, maybe not. Maybe those, oh yeah. That's definitely Epcot. So we can see Epcot fireworks there. Disney's Hollywood Studios fireworks over there. Coolness. Oh, Kelly was just talking like there's Hollywood Studios now. Hollywood Studios lights, fireworks are going off. So we get double duty. There you go there. And then there. And Kelly's got the sound effects for us.
Like
Sing it, Kelly.
Every time there's a Star Wars based thing, it always starts with the da, 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 then it starts with the bad guys.
Yep.
Oh.
So this is the time when the globe comes up. Oh. We would love to see Illuminations fireworks for the, what, 3,529th time, but we are hungry. So we're gonna go get food. We're gonna get something at food court. Right? Is that what we decided? The food court?
Yeah. Hopefully it's open.
Hopefully it is open. That would be a bummer.
If not, we could just go to the cafe.
Woo! Pepper Market's open.
Everything's hurting.
Everything's hurting. This is so tiring playing at Magic Kingdom. Yep. What you get to eat, kid? As you're yawning. Thank you.
I got food, that's why I got.
Oh, good food. All right, go find a spot to sit. Kelly's still. Oh,
tenders.
Kelly's pizza's here. Perfect timing, Kelly. All right,
I'm gonna go sit down.
go sit. Next kid. Hunter, go. Oh, Hunter's not far. She's right there.
We're too tired to go to the pool, so I'm gonna watch Harry Potter and go to bed.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter? Harry Potter has come to Hogwarts.
Harry Potter.
Go find your adventure, keep on dreaming. Love you all, bye.